today's video, we are going to learn how you can make your photo move inside of Photoshop or simply make a video out of your photo. So sometimes we go on advanced photography or any other photo that you could take with your camera, and then you that photo inside the video will look lively, right? So how can you make your video more lively and use your photos as a video inside of your Photoshop application? So in today's video, we are going to learn that. So there are two prerequisites for this thing. The first thing is you need to have a very distinct background and a very distinct photo. Like this framing where I am in front of the camera and the background a very huge and a very distinctive background that you can get a very background right now. So you have to have that photo that's the frame, right? And then what you have to do is you have to have some experience in Photoshop, and that you will get after watching this video, right? So that was the first step of doing that, and you must keep one thing in mind that the photo must have a very background, so it will be easier for you to make the photo will be very similar to the way. So me and Riyadh are currently on the top of this cliff and are actually recording the video and taking the picture so that you can get a clear view of the background and then we stand out in the foreground. So now I'm in the computer and I have loaded the photo into Photoshop, and now what we have to do is we have to make a selection and make a video out of this photo, right? So the very first thing we will do is make a copy of this background layer, right? So first of all, copy the background layer and you are now getting two layers, right? So this means that you can see the difference before and after the editing process. So we'll first actually hide the background layer, and what we have to do is we have to make a selection around this part of the picture, right? So to do that, what we will do is just go to the lasso tool, and from here select the magnetic lasso tool. If you can't see it here, go here, but in the bottom in the three dots here, and select the magnetic lasso tool, which is currently selected, and then you have to make a selection around this place, right? So start from here, from the very bottom, and then okay, now all the picture or all this person, which is Sherbek Susumi, is selected right now. And what we'll do next is press V on your keyboard, create a new layer and copy this, and again select the background layer, copy, and then copy it, Control and C, then go to the new layer 1 layer and then paste it right there. After that, move it about 2 steps, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and after taking it 9 steps, which is using the arrow key to the left, we are actually rightly aligned with the photo again. And then what we have to do right now is we have to actually select this part again, right? So to do that, what you have to do is select the background copy layer and then click on the layer 1 so that it will copy the background layer means according to the layer above it, right? So after that, what we have to do is copy the layer and hide the layer 1, and then we have to go to edit menu and then from there select the fill. After that, select content where color adoption should be checked, blending mode to normal and opacity to 100%. After that, press OK and you will see the magic right now. So what it will do is, as we told in the previous tutorial, it will replace this part, means according to this part, right? Means according to the pixels around here, and then you can get a clear view of the landscape that will actually make it easy for us to make a video out of it. So let's see how fast it does it. As you can see, it's done. So we'll press Ctrl and D, and to remove these hard parts from here, we'll select the clone stamp tool by pressing S on your keyboard and then Alt, and then select this part and then click here. Control and S, making a video.psd and let's save it. And now saving is done. So what we have to do next is make these two layers visible and delete the background layer because we don't need it right now. And then we have to go to the Windows menu and from there select the timeline. So once we have selected the timeline, this will show the timeline window right here on the bottom. So what you have to click is actually create a video timeline. So it will now select the two layers and create a video out of it. So for the first layer, what we will do is right click, and then from no motion you have to actually select zoom, and then select zoom, then zoom. We want to zoom this photo out. I think we have to zoom this out, and then on this part what we have to select is motion, zoom and zoom in. So after that, just click anywhere and it will actually mark the keyframes here, right? The very first keyframe and this is the last keyframe. Now it's looking like a video, right? So what you have to do next is actually export this part of the video, right? So to export this part of the video, what you have to do is go to the file, then export menu, and then render video. And after that, what you have to do is it will show you a menu, and from there you have to select the format and the codec. So we did not edit any video, any audio in this part of the clip, so that we can actually add it inside the video itself where we are using it, right? So it's initializing the video export, and till then we'll wait and see what's going on. So making a video.mp4, and it's a H.2.6, it's a 1080 by 720p, which is, I cannot actually see the sound by the way. Now let's actually make it a bit smaller so that it will render very faster. Let's make it a 720p and then click render, and after that it will make a video out of it, right? So it's actually rendering the video, so let's see. So now it's done exporting the video. Let's see the video and let's see how it goes. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video, and if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for new videos like this one. And I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, say goodbye and peace out.